Somebody please tell me if you have tried this brand, this deodorant, this type of product, or this scent. What are your experiences with Lume? Thank you for joining me in today's video. We are going to talk about this Lume deodorant. I received this as a gift about a month ago. I did start using it and I want to tell you a little bit about it. It is a 72-hour odor control deodorant for underarms and private parts, and this is the Coconut Crush scent. The thing that attracted me to trying this is that it is aluminum free, baking soda free, and it says that it's naturally scented. On the website, the price of the deodorant is $14.99, but you can buy it in combo packs for a discounted price. The list of ingredients is way too long to name or pronounce, so I'm going to just post them up on the screen. But one thing that I did find interesting is that this deodorant has mandelic acid. Now, if you've watched some of my skincare videos, you know I'm using The Ordinary products. And one of the products that I'm using is a direct acid, and it is the mandelic acid 10%. I'm not sure how that works in with the deodorant, but it was interesting to see that ingredient. Two things that the Lume company recommends that you do before using the deodorant and some of their other products is to prep your clothes and prep yourself. Based on the cleansing detergents and other products that we use with our clothing, the Lume website says that you can have leftover product and ingredient residue in your clothes. So in order to get rid of all of that and to help Lume work the best that it can, you should pre-treat your clothes with an enzyme treatment. The next thing it says is to prep your pits. In this case, your armpits, and then wherever you want to use the product. Because it is a body deodorant, you can use it more than just under your arms. We're going to talk about the armpits because that's where I used it. So the website recommends that you prime your pits by basically doing a deep cleaning under your arms. You can use any number of detoxifying cleansers, or you can use a clay. If you have calcium bentonite clay or the Aztec Indian clay, you can use that and just make a paste. Apply it under your arms just like you would do in your hair, and use that to detoxify and prepare your armpits. The website says this helps to get rid of any waxy residues and ingredients from previous deodorants or whatever else you may be using on your skin in that area. Another interesting thing about the Lume website is that it actually goes into detail on not only how to prepare yourself and your clothes to use the products, but also how to use the products itself. For me, I just thought deodorant pretty self-explanatory, but the Lume website helps you just in case you're confused or you not sure on how to use deodorant. But I guess it's helpful, especially if you're using it in places other than your underarms. They do actually have a section with videos and stuff on the website to tell you all about the Lume product and how to use it. Let me tell you what I think about the product. Some pros right off the bat is, number one, this was gifted to me, so I didn't have to pay for it. So of course I like that. Seeing the price on the website is $14.99 for a 2.2 ounce container of deodorant. That seems a bit pricey, but if it lives up to the claims, it's aluminum free, baking soda free, naturally scented, it's paraben free, and all of that kind of stuff. So you're getting a quality product with quality ingredients that's safe for your skin. I'm willing to pay a little bit extra, but I'm still not sure about $15. This is a creamy deodorant, and you can see how that is. It's not a spray, it's not a liquid. It's creamy, it's soft too. I don't want to touch it because, you know, I like to keep that stuff sterile. But I like the way that this dispenses. I like the fact that it's creamy because it helps to spread the product under your arm. Also in the cap, I'm not sure if you can see this, but in the cap, it has like those little 3 kind of cap, like a plug almost. So not only does it dispense just the right amount, when you have the cap on, it stops extra product from spilling out of the container and into the top, to where you would have to go back and like scrape out of the top for the last little bit. Now I want to go through some of the cons. Right now, the number one con for me is the smell. This is supposed to be coconut crush. And when you look in the ingredients, the only thing it says for any kind of scent or fragrance, it says naturally derived fragrance. I don't really see where it says coconut oil. I see cocoa seed butter, but I don't smell cocoa butter. I don't really see coconut specifically listed. It just says naturally derived fragrance. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury, when I first used this, there was like an aluminum tab over the 3 dispense areas, and I like that too. It was sealed. But when I ripped that thing off, and of course, you know I'm going to smell it first. Y'all, not only do I not smell coconut, what I smell is like the reason why you using the deodorant in the first place. And I said, you know what, maybe it's just me. Maybe my nose is not working. So I had somebody else smell it. And they said the same thing. And I said, you know what, it's possible. Maybe both of our noses are off. So I went to the website. Now, the first reviews I'm going to show you are, I think, 2 reviews. And the people rant and raved over the deodorant and specifically the scent. Now, I only check reviews for the coconut crush deodorant because that's what I have, and I want to compare apples to apples. So I found 2 reviews where the people really liked the scent, they really liked the deodorant, and they were very happy. And I said, you know what, okay, maybe it's me. Then I scroll more through the reviews, and I saw reviews that matched what I was smelling and what I was thinking, and the other person, what they were smelling and what they were thinking. And I said, okay, so I'm not 100% off. My nose maybe is not broken. I don't even want to wear this inside. Not even inside, let alone going in my backyard, going in the front yard, going to the mailbox. The smell on this, it smelled like somebody took the odor that you're trying to prevent and put it in this product. And I have been using this for like 2 or 3 weeks now. So it's not like I just started using it today. I just keep trying over and over again. I think if I go to sleep and wake up the next day and use it, maybe it'll reset. Maybe my nose will smell something different. Maybe y'all know the smell. I don't want to get too in-depth in describing it. But you know how this says you can use it for your pits, your feet, and your private parts? It smells like pits, feet, and private parts. Wet pits, feet, and private parts. I don't want to count this brand out. I don't want to count out the deodorant because they have other products. So it's not just deodorant. I really like the idea of this brand and the purpose and the intent and the mission. But y'all, this scent, I can't. I can't. Now, as far as lasting 72 hours, I do not find that it lasts 72 hours. I find that it might get me through half a day and then I have to reapply. But I'm not even mad about that. Of course, I would like it to get me through an entire 8-hour day. And yes, I did a clay mask under my arms. I used a brand new shirt out the pack, so it didn't have any previous detergents or sweat or whatever. It was brand new out the pack. So this didn't stain my shirt. It doesn't stain my clothes, and that's a good thing. But the smell of the product. Oh, y'all. Just please tell me, what is your experience? No, this thing got my eye jumping. Tell me your experience with the Lume brand, their deodorants, or with the Coconut Crush scent. If you've tried any other products by this brand, or any other scents of the deodorants, just somebody tell me if I'm the only one, or if me and the few reviews that I read, because it was many more than that. I just listed a few. But y'all let me know, is it me or is it this? That's all I have for this video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, click that notifications bell, and share with everyone you know. Until next time, bye.